Hello everyone. Welcome back to DIY Electronics Zone. Today, we're going to talk about the important safety rules you must follow when assembling a DIY power bank. Ignoring these can lead to overheating, short circuits, or even fire hazards. So, let's get started. Keycap 1 Battery Selection and Safety. First, always use high-quality lithium-ion or lithium polymer batteries from a trusted brand. Avoid using recycled or damaged cells, as they may have internal faults. When handling the batteries, make sure you don't puncture or bend them. Also, check for bulging or leakage. These are warning signs of a faulty battery. Keycap 2 Circuit Protection and Wiring. Next, ensure you have a battery management system, BMS, to protect against overcharging, overdischarging, and short circuits. Use properly insulated wires and solder connections neatly to avoid loose or exposed wires, which can cause electrical shorts. Always double-check the polarity before connecting the batteries. Keycap 3 Enclosure and Heat Management. When assembling your power bank, choose a heat-resistant plastic or metal case with proper ventilation. Overheating is a major risk, so do not place your power bank in direct sunlight or use it while charging. If you notice excessive heat, stop using it immediately and check for any faults. Outro: by following these simple but crucial safety tips, you can build a reliable and safe DIY power bank. Want a step-by-step guide? Stay tuned for our next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.